Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial onto my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post the reels onto your Instagram profile. So before this, I have downloaded this file which contain the tweets. They are basically the video URLs which I'm going to upload onto my Instagram account on daily basis. So this is the video. Let me show you. I'm containing the content of this X account. Let me show you. This is the video, and here is it. So you see this that it showed the random post from account viral vibes on Twitter or X. You can call it whatever you want. So I will share these videos on my Instagram, and I'm basically automate the whole process for posting content. And this is the bot. Now I'm gonna run this through the command prompt. Here it is. I'm on this folder, reel posting bot. Let me close it, and I'm gonna type cmd command prompt, which automatically navigate to the present path where your files are located. And now I'm going to run the simple command, but before running this bot, make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. And this is my Instagram account, new account, 69 posts, 138 followers, 924 following. So I want to instead of posting daily content, as I told you again and again, was a little bit wide for me, for anybody. So I want to automate this whole stuff. Okay, so here is it. Now we will start running the bot. I'm going to simply type python bot.py, and when I press enter, it will start the bot. Log into your Instagram account. It's like the URL, a random URL, and now it will start downloading the video plus caption on that video or tweet. I'm using playwright browser, playwright automation browser. You see this is the video downloader software, Twitter video downloader, and you see let's start downloading the video, and it's downloaded. So the second it open the browser, and select the video from the computer, from the path. Yes, this is the downloaded video. The whole process is yes. Now you see it upload the content on my Instagram profile in just 10 to 15 seconds. I'm running this bot on daily basis. Inshallah, with the passage of time, I will upload this onto VPS, and you see this folder is deleted, or file is deleted, and I will show you onto my Instagram account. You can see this. Yes, a newly added video with a robot boxing championship. Okay, so this is the caption, and it contains the URLs, the necessary URL. I have set it down. I have placed these URLs as a message string, and now you see it automatically upload into my Instagram account. So this is the whole stuff. I have developed this very small mini business automation And here is it. You can see this is the whole code I have written, and I'm using playwright, PyAutoGUI, beautiful soup to scrape data, browser functions. Some necessary functions are required. So if you guys need that kind of automation, I am giving my services on Fiverr. I am developing business automation, web scraping bots, and also working on AI agents. So this is my profile, and if you want me to want me to work for you and design and a special workflow, business workflow or automation, then I can do this for you in a very reasonable amount. So my profile has 8 reviews, and I'm sharing this, and I have a 5 years of experience on it. So I hope guys you really enjoyed this video about this is not an AI agent, last thing, but I am working slowly toward building an advanced AI agent, and inshallah we will build this for you guys. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to saying, what I'm trying to explain you. Thank you very much, Jazakallah, and please subscribe my channel.